Hi, in this video we will do a proof with constructive dilemma. Hi, this is Logic Self-Taught with Dr. Phi. In this video you'll look at a proof with constructive dilemma. Try to do the proof on your own and then continue watching. Constructive dilemma is our seventh rule. It basically allows us to use the information that is contained in a disjunction and a conjunction of two conditionals. Moreover, the antecedent of the first conditional must match the first disjunct. The antecedent of the second conditional must match the second disjunct. If these conditions are satisfied, we are allowed to infer a disjunction of the two consequents. We have three premises: a disjunction, a conditional, and a conjunction of two conditionals, and what we want is a disjunction. Let's think about constructive dilemma. We have a disjunction, A or C. We are to derive a disjunction, D or B. So the only thing that's missing is a conjunction of two conditionals, and the constructive dilemma tells us what the conditionals would have to be. If A, then D, and if C, then B. But a moment reflection will show that we don't have a way of obtaining either of the conditionals from the premises. We just don't have them there. So we need to think about a different strategy. Let's try to look at the premises again. We have a disjunction, A or C, and we have a conjunction that invites the application of constructive dilemma. The antecedents of the two conditionals in the conjunction in line 1 match the disjuncts of the disjunction in line 3. So let's just apply constructive dilemma. This is an instance of the working forward strategy. We obtain a disjunction of the two consequents, C or D. Now, however, we can think again whether we could not obtain our conclusion from this new disjunction by means of constructive dilemma. Let's again think about the missing proposition. We would have to have a conjunction of two conditionals, one if C then D, the other if D then B. We don't have such a conjunction in our premises, but we can obtain them. The first conditional, if C then D, we can obtain by simplification from line 1. And we do have the second conditional in line 2. We then conjoin the two conditionals in line 2 and line 5. And now we are ready to apply constructive dilemma to obtain the conclusion. We got what we wanted. We are done. We have three premises: a disjunction, a conditional, a conjunction of two conditionals, and what we think that's missing is a conjunction of two conditionals. And the constructive dilemma tells us what the conditionals would have to be. But a moment reflection will show that we don't have a way of obtaining either of the conditionals from the premises. We just don't have them. We will learn another rule, hypothetical syllogism, that would allow us to carry out this strategy. You can look at the video on applying hypothetical syllogism in proofs to see that strategy carried out. This is Logic Self-Taught. It's exercise time. Do all the exercises until they feel like a breeze.